The retention system is a patented fitting which has been designed to secure all types of illuminated and non-illuminated street furniture. RS sockets are installed as part of the civil works, enabling street furniture to be installed at a later date. In this video, we demonstrate a stainless steel bollard and a retention system foundation. Pedestrian plugs supplied ensure the retention system remains free of debris and poses no trip hazard to the public when not in use. Bollards are firmly locked in place by stainless steel set screws located in a recessed chamber within the RS socket. The pedestrian plugs are stored within the side chamber when not in use, and this chamber is protected by a locking lid which has a load rating of 12.5 tons. RS sockets are designed to withstand the most severe impact, allowing damaged street furniture to be removed and replaced in minutes. To remove the damaged furniture from the RS socket, simply remove the side chamber lid. Release the locking set screws. Lift the damaged street furniture vertically from the RS socket. Now you can insert the pedestrian plug or new bollard and replace the side chamber lid.